Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen tool that can elevate your cooking game, the Mercer Culinary Swiss Peeler Set in vibrant multicolors. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Mercer Culinary Swiss Peeler Set? This set features high-quality peelers designed with precision and comfort in mind, making them a must-have for anyone who enjoys spending time in the kitchen. Each peeler comes with a sharp, high-carbon blade that promises clean cuts every time, ensuring that your fruits and vegetables are prepared with ease and efficiency. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, these peelers are crafted with ergonomic polypropylene handles that fit comfortably in your hand. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you'll find these tools easy to maneuver, which is crucial when you're working quickly. The high-carbon blades not only offer sharpness but are also built for durability, ensuring that they'll remain effective for a long time. One of the most practical uses for the Mercer Culinary Swiss Peeler Set is in cocktail preparation. If you enjoy making cocktails at home, this peeler allows you to create wide strips of citrus peel in no time. Imagine adding a perfectly cut twist of lemon or orange to your drink. It's the finishing touch that can really impress your guests. But this peeler set isn't just for mixologists. It's also ideal for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Whether you're peeling potatoes for a hearty stew, preparing apples for a pie, or even zesting lemons for a delightful dessert, this set provides the versatility you need. Its design makes it suitable for a variety of tasks, from peeling delicate fruits to tougher vegetables. Now, let's quickly touch on care instructions to maximize the performance and longevity of your peelers. It's recommended to wash them by hand using warm water and mild soap. After rinsing, dry them thoroughly with a soft towel. Avoid placing them in the dishwasher or submerging them for long periods, as this can affect the quality of the blades and handles. In summary, the Mercer Culinary Swiss Peeler Set is an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a culinary professional or simply a home cooking enthusiast, this set offers quality, comfort, and versatility that can aid you in a multitude of cooking tasks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.